Do you take yourself too seriously? You might not have gotten this advice before, but I'll tell you, when you are speaking, you need to smile more. There are some people for whom smiling comes naturally, but if you are like me, you need to put effort in smiling often. And you might ask, why to do it? What are the benefits? I'll tell you. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Welcome to Grow with Girija, where we learn about public speaking, communication, and life. Today's topic is about smiling more. Or should I say, smiling more? Yes, in the beginning of my public speaking journey, I really worked hard to look serious because I thought by being serious, the audience will take my message seriously. But then I noticed something strange. When the speaker was smiling and cheerful, the audience reflected the same mood. On the opposite side, when the speaker was serious, the environment was so heavy. I used to think that if I look more serious, the audience will be more receptive to my message. But the opposite was true. When the audience was cheerful, happy, and relaxed, they were more ready to accept the ideas of the speaker. If you don't agree with this, then try to remember your school or college days. Did you learn in the class when you were relaxed and were having fun, or when you were being lectured? Now the question comes, when to smile? The general idea is that for most part of your talk you need to be smiling, unless the facial expression supporting that part of your talk needs to be different. So the default is to smile. The next question is, to what degree of smile? You didn't think that there are different degrees of smile, right? But there are. Because for some, a faint smile might do. For some, a wide smile. It depends on what looks natural to you. And for that, you need to experiment. The point is that you want your audience to take you seriously. But for that, you don't need to look serious. And you can apply this even at workplace and in other situations. Try to smile more. It will make you feel better and will put your audience at ease. Like they say, you smile and the world smiles with you. How did you find this video? Did you like something? Did you find something useful? If yes, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share with others who can benefit from this content on public speaking. I'll see you in another video of Grow with Girija. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing, because change is inevitable, but growth is optional.